Okay, so this is my keychain, and this is my fob on my car. And pretty much all the buttons was missing except this one. So what I did was I ordered a shell from Amazon, and basically what I started to do is I went around. I can do this in one hand. The edges of this and pulled the buttons out. So I'm gonna take this one out of here, and then I'm gonna take the new one and put it in my fob and press it down in there. Okay, so what I did was just push this down, push the new one down inside of it and try to get it down there as good as I could. I don't have any glue, but basically I have repaired my fob without taking it to the dealership because they were going to charge me like $200 to replace the fob. So yeah, this is what it is. And then I also bought these covers, these cute little covers that go, I can't get it in there. I'm trying to work with one hand. Basically, they go over the key. Y'all get the picture. And then I'll just be able to push it through here. I've already tested it out, and all the buttons work. If you see the button is working. So yeah, I just repaired my key fob in basically like 10 minutes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.